Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video in the top 5 series. Today's video is going to be on blushes and I'm going to share with you my top 5 favorite shades of blushes for every kind of Indian skin tone. In the last video which I did in the top 5 series, blushes featured in a lot of requests, and since I also love blushes so much, I thought let me do this video today. So without much further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. The first category and one of my favorite kind of blushes to wear are peach blushes. Peach is a really nice warm toned blush which complements most of the Indian skin tones really beautifully, and I have some favorites, but it was very difficult to pick one peach blush, so I actually have 3 subcategories in peach blushes. In this video I'm going to show you a limited number of peach blushes, but I have actually done a dedicated video on peach blushes which I will also link in the description box below. So let me share with you the first category of true peach blushes. According to my understanding, whenever I see a light orangey, like a light muted orange shade with a little hint of pink, then it appears peach to me. Something very close to what I think peach is this one from LA Girl. This is a beautiful blush called Just Peachy from their Just Blushing Blushes, and this used to be my favorite for a very long time. It's a very subtle peachy blush on my skin tone. If you are fairer, then you will get more color payoff, but on my skin tone also it works and you can build up the color pretty well, so I do like it. But the true peachy blushes which I'm loving currently are from this is the Makeup Revolution Pro 4K blush palette with 4 peachy tones. It's the peach version, and this is how this blush palette looks like. Look at that peachy goodness. This is my current favorite go-to palette for peach blushes. I don't have more true peachy single peach blushes because this is what I go for, and I love the tones in this palette. What I have on my face right now is this blush right here, which I have on my cheeks today, and I have topped it up with a highlighter. There are 3 matte blushes in this palette and all of them are peach toned, so you can see there is a variation in the shades. There is a apricot peachy shade with a lot more yellow. There is a true peachy orange kind of a shade which is a little bit more peach, and there is a deeper peach shade which has more intensity. So the powders are very smooth, very soft. They are a little bit too extra soft in the pan. They're a little bit crumbly, but they layer on the face very nicely. There is a light highlighter kind of shade which is a glowy blush. Not a fan of this one. This is not good. The other 3 products are good. So this is my favorite peach toned blush shades which is there in this palette. Okay, the second subcategory of peachy toned blushes which I love are orange toned peach blushes, and I have this palette from Zoeva. This is the Artisto blush palette and this is still available. This has this beautiful orange toned peach blush. I love these kind of blush shades. Actually this color is very similar to this one in the Revolution Pro palette. Let me just quickly show you. This one and this one, both are a little bit similar to each other. I would say this one is maybe a tad bit more orangey in tone. The difference is not much although, but I just love these kind of blush shades, and if you're close to my skin tone especially, I think you should have a blush shade like this which is a little bit deeper in tone but it still has the peachiness. So it's a really nice palette. I would say out of the 3 shades I use only 2, but still I think it's a good palette to have because this is a really unique sort of a orangey peachy blush. Okay, and the third category of peachy blushes which I really love are deeper muted peach blushes. So these are mostly like brownish peach blushes. So I have 2 of them in this category. One is a high-end, one is a drugstore. These go very well for everyday looks. On a daily basis you can wear them without looking too obvious. So this is the high-end one and this is the drugstore one. In high-end one I have the Cover FX monochromatic blush duo in the shade Warm Honey. It's such a gorgeous everyday friendly color. You can see it has a light peachy tone, but it is a muted peach. It doesn't have a lot of orange, but it has more brown in it, so it looks really subtle on the face, but still it gives a nice color to the face and it looks very natural. The formulation is just so nice and so smooth. The pigmentation is just bang on, and even the glowy side is so beautiful, so smooth on the skin. These are one of my favorite blush formulas, and I will highly recommend it. Even the packaging is just so pretty. These are a little bit on the expensive side, but I think these are totally worth the money, especially since you're getting two products for the price of one. The drugstore recommendation which I have in this category is from Wet n Wild. It's a really super inexpensive blush. I think it's $3-4 only, but the color of this blush is so beautiful. The shade is called Mellow Wine, and this one is a little bit similar to the Cover FX blush. You can see that both the blushes are kind of similar in tone to each other. Of course, the formula of the Cover FX one is much more superior, more smoother, pigmentation is great, but this one is also actually no less. It's really nice. The pigmentation may not be very intense, but the color is very buildable, so you can build up and you can get your desired intensity, and the color is so pretty. This one also has a slight hint of pink, which I think also looks really nice, although it's a deeper peach blush. Let's move on. The next category of shade which I think every Indian skin tone girl should have are coral blushes. I am always looking for coral toned blushes. I love this blush shade for my skin tone. So what is coral? There is a subtle difference between peach and coral. Both peach and corals are actually from the same orange family. Both are warm toned blushes, but peach will have a little bit more orange and yellow to it, and coral is going to have a little bit more pink and red to it. So there is a little difference between both the shades. I have a lot of corally blushes. Some of them are in blush palettes, but in today's video I'm going to share with you two of my favorite coral blushes, which are blush singles. So the first one is from Laura Mercier. This is a high-end coral blush. You can see that it has that peachy undertone, but you can see a lot more pink and a lot more red in this blush. This blush also has a slight sheen to it. It's not a flat-out matte blush. It is a satin blush, so it gives a nice like a glow to the skin, but it's not anything overpowering, so I really like that fact about this. And the pigmentation is great, and the longevity, the staying power is excellent of this blush. In the drugstore category, I have this one from Palladio. These Palladio matte blushes are also really nice from the drugstore. So this blush called Tipsy is a coral blush which I really like. Now if I have to show you both the shades, so here is the Laura Mercier one, here is the Tipsy one. You can see the Laura Mercier one is a little bit more intense, but the tones are very similar in both of them. This one is just a tad bit intense, and this one is just a tad bit lighter. So this is also great coral blush, very smooth formulation. It's a matte blush. There is no shimmer or shine, so if you don't want any shimmer, shine, glowy blush, then you can go for this kind of a matte blush. This is affordable as well. Okay, the third category of blushes which I love are terracotta toned blushes, reddish terracotta or reddish orangey blushes, which are not too orange but have a red undertone, but they are not too bright either. They are muted. So I'm calling this category as terracotta blushes. There are three blushes I want to show you in this category. The high-end one is the Cover FX monochromatic blush duo, again in the shade Spiced Cinnamon. This is one of my favorite blushes. This is in my top 5 favorite blushes. It's sort of like a muted terracotta with a hint of pink. I have two more blushes which are a little bit more terracotta, which I'm going to show you next. I just love how this blush looks on my skin. If you're close to my skin tone, even if you're deeper, I think you should definitely have blushes like this in your collection. These kind of muted reddish orangey shades just blend with our skin undertone really nicely. So I love this blush. I highly recommend it. Very similar in tones are two blushes which I'm going to show you. One is from Nykaa and one is from Faces. This is the Glam On blush, and if I have to just compare it, Look at the faces one, it is a slightly bit more red in it, just very slightly, and this one has a slight bit more pink. The undertone and how they look on the skin are very similar. This is also an excellent blush from Faces, very smooth formulation. This has a little bit of shimmer particle in it, but it doesn't look too overpowering or too glowy, or it doesn't translate that much onto the skin, and this blends so nicely, and the staying power is very nice. Same thing goes for the Nykaa one. I think the Faces one is a slight bit more creamier to the touch. It's not that powdery. The Nykaa one is a little bit more powdery, but this also performs very well. This one I feel is a little bit more long wearing on my face. This one is the Brazilian Bombshell from their Nykaa Cheeky Duos, Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duos. So there are 2 shades in this one. I don't really care for these kind of blush shades too much. I love these kind of shades, and that's why I love this palette. You can mix and match, of course, and that gives you a nice color, but most of the time I usually go for this color right here, which is that beautiful pinky terracotta shade. It looks so nice on the skin. It's very smooth. This also, I think it's not like a flat out matte blush. It has a slight satiny feel to it. I don't know if they have a satin finish or not, but when I swatch it, when I apply it on the skin, it looks and feels very satiny. So I think it's a really nice formulation. Okay, 2 more categories left, so let's finally talk about some pink toned blushes. Traditionally, when you think about blushes, your mind immediately goes to pink blushes. First category is going to be the rosy toned pink blush. Okay, let me show you a very traditional pink blush. This is the blush from Innisfree Mineral Brushes 06. I really like this blush as well, but this doesn't feature in my top 5 because these kind of pink blushes are not my favorites. It's a very normal, regular pink toned blush. What I like are pink blushes which has a little bit more red in it, so that's why I call them as rosy toned pink blushes. By rosy toned pink blushes, I mean blushes like this. This one is a palette from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Contour de Force face palette in the shade Vivid Victory. This has a beautiful rosy blush. Look at that blush right there. You can see that the Innisfree one is very pink. It is almost like a cool toned pink, but this has a more rosy vibe to it. It has a little bit more deeper pink, has a little bit more red. So these are the kind of rosy pink shades which I like for my skin tone. Whenever I'm looking for a rosy toned blush, I usually go for this one. I have other palettes which have rosy blushes, but I think this is something a little bit more unique, a little bit more beautiful in my collection. It has a nice amount of pink and a nice amount of red. The pigmentation is good, so this blush looks really nice on my skin tone, and I will highly recommend it. The last category of blushes which I love are berry pink shades. More than the rosy pink shades, I do reach out for the berry pink shades. These are the pink tone blushes which are much more deeper in color and have a berry hue to them, and they are very complimentary on all kind of Indian skin tones, especially if you are of a deeper complexion. I think more than the rosy tone blushes, these kind of blushes are going to flatter your skin tone. So there are 2 recommendations in today's video. The high-end one or the mid-range category one is this one from Buxom. This is the shade Goa, and this is the Wanderlust primer infused blushes. This is how a berry toned blush looks like. I love wearing these kind of deeper berry shades on my skin tone. They give you that pink look without being too pink. I love how pigmented these blushes are, especially this one is really nicely pigmented, quite intense, but it also blends out very nicely on the skin. So you have to be a little bit careful when you use these kind of deeper shades. They have to be blendable. They cannot look patchy on the skin. They are also not completely matte. They have a little bit shine to them, so whenever I apply them, they give you a nice healthy flush to the cheeks, which I really like. Another blush favorite is this one from LA Girl. If you don't want to spend too much, this is also a really beautiful berry toned pink blush. It looks very intense in the pan tan, but it's not that intense when you apply it on the face. And this also looks super pretty on my skin tone. Again, with this one also, I will say just be very careful how much you're applying. You can go a little overboard with this kind of intense deep blushes, but if you build up the colors slowly and just blend out the blush nicely on the cheeks, they look super flattering. Okay guys, so those are my top 5 favorite blush shades for Indian skin tone. I know there are a lot of blush options in this world and I possibly cannot have all of them, so if you have used these kind of shades, then do please drop them in the comment section below as well. Other than that, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're watching me for the first time, I really hope you'll consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again really soon in my next video. Bye.